The underside of your car often collects dirt, mud, water, and salt, which can cause rust and damage over time. Unfortunately, it is an area that often gets overlooked during regular washes. That is why it is important to clean the bottom of your car often. It helps protect your car, keeps it working well, and makes it last longer. Cleaning your car's undercarriage with a pressure hose is an effective way to remove dirt, mud, and salt buildup. Aim the hose at different angles to reach all areas, especially around the wheel wells and suspension. Regular use helps prevent rust and keeps your vehicle in better condition over time. An undercarriage pressure washer is a tool designed to clean the underside of your car by spraying water upward. It easily attaches to a pressure washer or garden hose and rolls beneath the vehicle for hands-free cleaning. This helps remove mud, salt, and debris from hard-to-reach areas, preventing rust and corrosion. It is especially helpful in winter when roads are covered with snow and salt. Regular use keeps your car's undercarriage in better condition and reduces long-term maintenance costs. If the undercarriage is extremely dirty and rusty, it is important to do a thorough deep cleaning to prevent further damage. To thoroughly clean your car's undercarriage, start by rinsing it well with water to remove loose dirt and debris. Next, spray a generous amount of snow foam onto the entire undercarriage. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so it can break down and loosen the dirt and grime. After the foam has worked, start scrubbing with a brush, focusing especially on hard-to-reach areas. Scrubbing helps remove tough dirt, grease, and grime that the foam alone cannot lift. Then, rinse the undercarriage again using a pressure washer to wash away all the loosened dirt and foam. For areas with heavy grease or buildup, use an engine degreaser. Spray it into all the nooks and crannies. Use a drill with a brush attachment to help break down and remove the tough grime. Focus this process on sections of the undercarriage that are especially dirty or greasy. Once everything is clean, allow the undercarriage to dry completely. When dry, apply a layer of grease using a brush on exposed metal parts or areas prone to rust. This helps protect the undercarriage from corrosion and ensures longer-lasting durability. By this way, you will help prevent rust and extend the life of your car's undercarriage. Cleaning the underside of your car often protects it from rust and damage. This small step helps your car last longer and saves you money on repairs later. Taking care of the underside is an easy way to keep your car in good shape.